of course, the Nürburgring Nordschleife.
Yeah, we're good. I should check out those numbers over there, right? You do.
It's time. You okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is this, my birthday?
This, I don't know, something I saw. Open it later.
It's been an impressive start to the season for the young lad from Wales, Jan Mardenborough, who just a month ago placed 4th at Dubai Autodrome. It's going to be interesting to see how he handles the competitions here today.
Yeah, the Nordschleife is the most challenging circuit and is going to be the biggest challenge of Jan's career so far.
All clear, got the cup.
You hear me in there?
Loud and clear.
Looking good, Jan. Smooth is fast. Smooth is fast. Very nice. Schumann down.
He's showing fantastic pace from Jan Mardenborough as he's working his way up through the field.
Hit for fuel when you come around.
Copy. What the hell? Yes! Yes! Yes!
Was that his car?